Hey, this is John Petrucci. I'm here at Mesa Boogie, hanging out with all this incredible gear, and really nice. Second couple are more of my crunch sounds. One of them is really big, uses the chorusing on it. Let's see. This sound I would use more on kind of heavy crunch stuff. Of course, you can access the different effects. Like I said, the front one's a Dreamscape flange. And there's a couple of lead presets at the end with different delay times. By the way, on the tri-axis, I'm right now using lead 2 red. So it's really kind of out front, bold, aggressive sound.